This is the reason why the power orbs are so useful. They just give you level upon level upon level. Like this. Very handy. Very, very handy. And we don't have enough gold in the party to be able to train. So we're going to have to cast Town Portal and return to Fountainhead. Make withdrawal of about 2,500,000. If we don't use it now, we will definitely use it later on, that's for certain. Sorry, the bank is closed. So we gotta putz around. There we go. Hello, Zahab. I would like to make a withdrawal. See, this is the reason why I like the bank. That 12 million just turned into 18 million. Huh. Ha ha. Well, it's going to turn to 16 million because we have to withdraw about 2 million worth. That's alright, though. We've got 2 million in our bank, in our party, 16 million inside the vaults. Let's cast Town Portal and return to Blistering Heights. We need to still train. Level 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. It's going to cost us about 50,000 per training session. So that will really start to chip into your reserves of gold pieces. Especially whenever you make like 20 training sessions in a row. Makes you very powerful, however. And that also did the side effect of freeing up a whole lot of inventory space. Which is very nice. And we ran out of gold pieces. Again. We just chewed through 2 million gold pieces. You know what? I'm not so worried about her getting training. We'll just rest. And we're going to the tavern. We're going to get drunk. I mean, we're going to get stuffed. Hem. Sorry, children. No beer for you until you go to the Genesis version. I don't know if there was a Genesis version of this. I'll have to check sometime. Still, this makes for 2 playthroughs of it for me personally, and that's one more than I wanted to do. Yes, buy, eat, good stuff. Keep eating, you'll feel better. Okay. Have another 10 courses, and I might tell you something. Okay. Luck aids in resistance. You're a fool. Well, thank you for telling me that. Luck may save you from monster special power. Vital statistics will worsen with age, which reminds me, we gotta go stop and cure ourselves of age real quick. Yes, these are all tips I know already. Again, tips I already know. I know that. I know that. I know that. I think he's just repeating himself. I know that too. I know that again. He's just starting to repeat himself, I think. Let's leave. Okay, cast Town Portal. We will return to... Where are we going now? Baywatch. We need to cure ourselves of unnatural aging. Because most of us have died at some point in our lives. Or have been eradicated, or called upon the power of gods one too many times. This will cure it. Day 30. Everybody's about age 20. Or so they should be. Yes, age 20. Okay, good. Let's cast Town Portal and head to Wildebar. The last place that we need to go would be the Cathedral of Carnage. It has the last sequencing key that we need. Normally you save the maze from hell for last, but we were doing so good that, well, you know. Okay, dungeon, where are you? You should be at the northern tip of this little mountain valley. Or so I think. Here we are. Sharp crackling and the smell of burning ether surround the dungeon entrance. Enter? Yes. Let's cast light. Gasp! Religious symbolism! A cross on the map! Well, the Cathedral of Darkness. It's no longer the Cathedral of Carnage. The center of the Moo following. Cruel and witless best describes the followers of Moo, for they attempt without rest to tap into the power of the ultimate orbs. It is the goal of the clerics to use the power of the orbs to control the minds of the people of Terra and turn them all into their drones. Though they have made no gains towards their goal, the clerics continue to perform cruel experiments. And apparently this is where the gargoyles fled to as well. So let's kill the gargoyles. Wait, you just going to stand there? Couldn't tell if that was a statue or if it was real. Okay, turn, yes, good. And I'm gonna save my game right here. Yes, okay, game saved. Few who enter the Cathedral of Darkness exit to tell their tale. Buddy, we've gone through places a lot tougher than this. Okay, let's head north. North. Thank you for listening to me this time. Strange. They don't seem to be doing anything unless I stand on their square. I could probably just run right past them without even fighting them. That'd be nice. I think I'll do that. Okay, this one came after me. Yeah, they seem to want to come after me. Yeah, and these guys are lost. First things first, let's cast protection from electricity so they won't harm us anymore. Protection from elements, cast it from electricity. There we go. We will no longer take damage from them. You can keep on hitting me all you want. Moo cleric dead, moo cleric dead. Only disciples of mighty Moose shall walk through these halls in peace. All others will meet their demise. So, gemstones. Lurid flames. You learn apparently a lot of spells this way. A lot of clerical ones too. Stone to flesh. Raise dead. This would be a good place to go for spells. Probably a good place to even go for power orbs if you can survive it. Acid spray. Cold ray. Yeah, there's pretty much every clerical spell you can possibly think of here. Favored. Wow, that's all you had to do and there's just 2 power orbs just waiting for you? But it's surrounded by an impenetrable wall of force. Okay, I knew it wouldn't be that easy. Still, it's just the fact that you can see them like that, after only killing a few clerics of Moo and gargoyles. This could be one of the best places to go to for power orbs, I think.